Chaz here at PTP Gun, and today I'm going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of this Glock 43. First step of taking apart any firearm is to make sure that the firearm is unloaded. So we already have our magazine out. I'm going to go ahead and pull the slide back and lock that to the rear. Chamber is clear, no magazine inserted. We are good to proceed with our disassembly. We're going to go ahead and send the slide home, and I'm going to show you actually two different ways to do this. So the first step is to make sure you go ahead and pull the trigger. All right. From there, we want to get the slide to come back just a little bit, and there's two different ways to do that. You can put the nose of the gun towards the table and lean it forward and press down, getting that slide to come back just a little bit as you see there. Or you can do it this way, where you grab onto the slide, and if you have the strength, you push down with your thumb on the frame to get that slide to come back just a little bit. Either way, it achieves the same goal. From here, I'm going to take down the takedown lever. All right, it's on both sides. Same thing, symmetrical. It's on both sides. All right, I'm going to grab, when I have that slide back just a little bit, I'm going to grab on each side. I use my thumb on one side, my middle finger on the other. I grab and I pull it down towards the bottom of the gun. Towards the bottom of the gun. All right, once I have that down, I hold it down, and then I release the slide forward. All right. From there, get the frame out of the way. I have my spring and spring guide, my barrel, and my slide. So I have my slide, my barrel, spring and spring guide, and my frame. From here, you can do any type of regular maintenance or clean. You may need to do that firearm. Once you have that complete, you can go ahead and reassemble the firearm. We're going to start by putting the barrel back into the slide, muzzle first. Get that into place. We're going to take our spring and spring guide and reinstall that. From there, we're going to turn that back upside down, or right side up, and we have these notches that are on the back of the slide. We're going to go ahead and match those up with these rails on top of the frame. All right? We're going to match those up. And once they're matched up, we're going to keep them matched up. We're going to pull that all the way to the rear and let go. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a quick functions check, make sure that it was put together properly. All right? Pull that slide back a couple times, pull the trigger. Slide back a few times, and pull that trigger. All right? That is the disassembly and reassembly of the Glock 43. It's the same as all other Glocks, right? But I want to go ahead and make sure we show that specifically for this. For the disassembly and reassembly of various other firearms, including handguns, rifles, and shotguns, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can find us and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PTPGun. Thank you all again. Stay safe, and remember to train to survive.